Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Lindsay and I'm the Senior Enrollment Advisor with Dignity Health Global Education. You've most likely received an email or a text from me in the past, so it's nice to meet everyone this way as well. What I'll be doing today is just briefly going over some common questions about our MGM and Healthcare Services program. So thank you for your time and let's get started. One of the most common questions I'm asked is, who is this program designed for? Well, this program is designed for aspirational professionals in middle to senior level management positions who are looking to gain global perspectives and identify international opportunities within healthcare, pharmaceutical, medical devices, or the insurance sectors. Our August cohort actually consists of healthcare managers, healthcare administrators, physicians, sales professionals, and executive leaders. So professionals in the healthcare services and global management fields will also greatly benefit from this master's program. And remember, this program is designed to elevate your leadership skills on a global level when it comes to healthcare. Another question I'm frequently asked about is, what is the difference between our MGM and a typical MBA program? So our MGM in Healthcare Services is a specialization in healthcare management and is a degree that enables students to master those skills required to find new and innovative ways to address those challenges of healthcare in the 21st century. Whereas an MBA tends to be more business-driven, the MGM in Healthcare Services encompasses aspects of business, of course, but also leadership, finance, and everything within healthcare. Another really important aspect that sets the MGM apart from a typical MBA are entrepreneurship and intrapreneurship. So if you have that gumption, that drive where you have these fantastic ideas and you want to bring them to the forefront of your organization, this program is really going to give you those tools to be able to deliver your ideas and the information to your organization. And being one of the most innovative schools in the world, Thunderbird's MGM program is really designed for you to think critically and outside of the box when it comes to healthcare, instead of just sticking to the same models that really haven't changed in years. So the next question has to do with credit and practicum. The MGM in Healthcare Services consists of 49 credit hours in total. 43 of those credits are course-based, while the other 6 are the in-person practicum. The practicum itself is one of the most unique features of this program, and frankly is what sets this master's program apart from so many others. You will work closely with a faculty member to choose a healthcare organization and essentially solve an issue or a problem for them. So this could be anything from a business-related scenario, clinical-related scenario, to sales, to leadership, anything really that drives you and you would like to see as a change in healthcare. You'll have the opportunity to do that within an organization. You can also add it to your resume as work experience, which is awesome. And many times the organization that you partner with during your master's program wants you to continue with them afterwards. So speaking of organizations, I'm frequently asked if students will actually be able to handle the academic workload while still working full-time. The answer is yes, but it will be challenging, of course. The majority of our students are taking this program to advance their career, and we all know that that takes hard work. So making sure that you manage your time, your priorities, and your workload is going to be extremely important. Although I know most of you are already pros at doing that, you're just going to have to do it a little bit more. So the bottom line is, yes, you can absolutely handle both school and work, but you must manage your time properly in order to do so. So the last question is one I get all the time, and it's about whether an online master's will be as beneficial as an in-person one. And I've been asked this question way before even COVID happened, and I'll continue to give the same answer. Our online master's program was designed to be flexible, challenging, and meaningful from the get-go. It's not as if we've modified an existing in-person program due to the global pandemic. This program has always been online and therefore is absolutely as beneficial, if not more now, than an in-person program, I personally think, for the following reasons. So first of all, it's flexible. Like I mentioned earlier, you're all very busy people, whether it be in your personal or your professional lives. And it's extremely important to have a program that allows you to still have a life outside of studying. Not having to be on campus for classes really does allow you that balance. And really that's only a balance that an online program can give you. Second, the faculty is always available to assist you. They will still have office hours, and you'll obviously go over all of that once the program starts. And they'll always be readily available to answer any questions for you. They're there to help you, just as an in-person program would be, but you know, they're always there to help. So lastly, it's really important to know that although you're not probably going to meet all of your classmates in person, you will absolutely still have a cohort experience. Because the program is only, you know, going to accept a small number of students, you'll be constantly in communication with each other through classes, through discussions, projects, as well as providing support for each other through the semesters. So you are still going to have that cohort experience, and the instructors and the faculty are going to do their absolute best to make sure that you know that you can lean on them for support as well as your peers for support. So having said that, if I didn't answer a question you've been thinking about, please feel free to reach out to me via Zoom. I would love to see your faces and chat with you, or you can always email, text, or phone me. I'm here to support you, and so are the amazing faculty at Thunderbird. So please, please don't hesitate to reach out, and hopefully I look forward to hearing from some of you and having some of you as future Thunderbird students. Thank you, bye.